stack. We'll take that shingle and use it up top. That will be our starter piece when we get up the top. As you'll see, he's saving that. Notice he used that one next, and then he'll use the smaller after that. That's how you create a pyramid on an architectural shingle. Then he'll go back. Tie everything together. Only Corning, Onyx Black, Sure Nail. We always double nail our ends, but if you notice, we always make sure there's no nail anywhere near the seam, always. That's the way we do it. Before it's done, you'll end up with a pyramid all the way up your roof. You'll have a guy coming behind you, filling it in. This is the way we always finish our ridge cap because we don't want to have any exposed nails in this crappy salty air that we have around here. So we cap them off with some pieces of shingle. No exposed nails that way. Blowing it off. This one's done. Done. We put new drip edge all the way around. New drip edge all the way around the house.